guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting and also is going to be rewarding for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome back. My name is Isa Marie. Today's video, just how you read in the title, is going to be a giveaway. So if you guys haven't noticed yet, I have one video out of all of my videos. It has, I think, like over 100,000 views. And what it is on a hair product review. It's a shampoo from the brand Fanola, and basically it's a shampoo for girls with blonde hair whose blonde hair has turned orange or has lost that really nice vibrant blonde color. So I remember just going online and even on Instagram and seeing the shampoo Finola, and I wanted to try it on so bad. I wanted to try it out, so I did. I ordered it, and that's when I created the video. So long story short, I absolutely love it. It's something that I've been using on my hair for, I'd say, months. I've purchased it twice, and now 3 times. Well, 4, because I actually have another one over there, but here it is. It is the 1000 milliliter bottle, so it's pretty huge. It's the biggest bottle that Fanola sells, and this can be yours if you enter my giveaway. So the rules are going to be very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed, like the video, leave me a comment down below why you would want to win this, and also follow me on my Instagram. So I'm going to leave my Instagram name right here on the video, and all you have to do is do all those things or the giveaway. It's not internationally, so if you are internationally and are viewing my video, I'm so sorry. It is open for the US only. Once again, this shampoo can be yours if you enter by liking this video, leaving a comment down below, follow me on my Instagram. So one thing about my Instagram that I do want to mention that's really important, you guys are going to see that it's literally empty. I'm going to be posting a photo on there today with the pictures of the Fanola giveaway, but it's a brand new Instagram, and why is because I wanted to create a new Instagram account in regards to just my YouTube channel. So I wanted it to just focus, on what I've been doing. So that's one place where you guys can also follow me, to see what other giveaways I'm going to be doing, because I did purchase 2, which means after this giveaway is over, I will be doing another one. I just felt like it was time for me to do a giveaway because I get so many questions, and I think I posted that video around summertime of last year. And I still get comments to this day. And having blonde hair, it isn't easy. I don't know if you guys can tell. Right now my hair is not that light, blonde, really nice color. It has turned orange, and I even have my roots coming in there. It's brown. I do want to add that I'm not a professional hairstylist at all. I'm actually like in the media industry, creating videos for you guys. It's something that I really am passionate about. I love to like create videos and just be in front of a camera. That's actually what I graduated school from. I went to media school. But yeah, I just thought it was really awesome to just do this really fun giveaway for you guys, just because a lot of girls actually, they always wonder if this really works or not, and honestly it really does. I'm gonna be putting like a little clip on the video that I have. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. One thing that I do want to add, another thing, is basically the video that I made, maybe it wasn't as detailed as I wanted it to be. And if you guys don't know what Fanola is, basically it is an anti-orange shampoo. So the one that I'm giving away, it's specifically anti-orange. So it's better for hair that's like naturally brown, which is like my hair, that has been dyed blonde, that is turning orange. And basically the shampoo is blue, which means it cancels out orange hair. So once you put this on your hair, it's gonna leave you with a nice like blonde, nicer, you're not gonna walk around with orange hair. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, if you never heard of Fanola, basically it's a line cared for like blonde hairs or even brunettes. If you have brown hair and it's turning orange, that's even good for this. You could even use this shampoo. So you don't have to be blonde to enter this giveaway, and you do not have to be blonde in order to use this. This is also good for girls with brown hair whose hair is turning like reddish and orange. Specifically in the instructions, it says suitable for colored hair with dark shades, gently cleanses and neutralizes undesired copper red reflections, leaving hair shiny and hydrated. Use wearing the appropriate gloves. wearing gloves, if you end up being the winner, I do want to say, or even if you want to purchase this, wearing gloves is really important because your hands will get stained. If you don't mind it, it's okay. I find that if I don't have gloves, it's not the end of the world. Your nails are gonna get stained a little bit, but it will come out, like it doesn't stay. So you put it on your hair for 1 to 5 minutes. I find personally, this is my opinion, you do not have to do this. I find that if you leave it for a bit longer, I'd say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it works even better. My advice to you is, if you're a first time user, you know, follow the instructions, 1 to 5 minutes. And if you feel like, you know, just to see what the shampoo will turn your hair color into, because you just never know, you know, it doesn't, I do acknowledge that, you know, it doesn't work the same way for everyone. My hair history isn't your hair history, and that's something really important that I try to comment down below on my videos. In terms of my hair, how I got my hair this color: box bleach. I use hair dyes, I use box hair dyes, I use the Wella toners. I pretty much have used a little bit of everything, but yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that the giveaway is now open. I believe today is March 6th. Today's March 6th. Let me see, let me double check. The day that I'm filming this video for you. You are welcome to enter now. The giveaway, let's see. So it's March 6th. I'm going to give it until the end of the month. So the giveaway is going to be open until April 1st. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, you have until April 1st to enter. In order to be a winner, all you have to do is like this video. You can share it, you can comment down below why you would want to be the winner, and also follow me on my Instagram. It's really important that you guys follow me on my, but I just wanted to add that I did buy a second bottle. So once this giveaway is ending in April 1st, I will do a second giveaway, so that way more people can try this out on me. And I do want to add, I'm not sponsored by Fanola. I wish I was. So if Finola, if you're watching this, you know, my email address is on my YouTube. I would love to work with you guys one day. I really do believe in your products. It has done wonders in my hair. So yeah, if you want to follow the giveaway, all you have to do is follow all those rules, and I hope to see you guys, and I hope to see you guys on my Instagram. And yeah, I can't wait to see the chosen person. I can't wait to, you know, to speak to you guys. And all you have to do is do all those things: like, comment, leave me a comment why you want to win the shampoo. And let me tell you, this is literally gonna be with you for a while. Look how big this shampoo bottle is. You're gonna love it. Once again, it's different for everybody depending on your hair history. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to enter the giveaway, I will also leave the rules down below in the description. But most importantly, follow me on my Instagram, because I'm going to be announcing the winner over there. So once again, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, it is going to be open from today, March 6th, all the way until April 1st. So if you want to be a winner, you have plenty of time to enter. I mean, I'm sure, you know, we all have busy schedules, but yeah, it's really easy to enter. I'm going to be choosing one lucky winner, and yeah, I wish you guys so much luck. I really hope that the person that wins this, you know, it works well for their hair. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.